Quantum mechanics, the uncertainty principle. Nature knows no such thing, only humans do. Relativity, E equals mc squared, or the speed of light squared. Mass, being dependent on the speed of an object. Michelson and Morley, the arms of the apparatus contracting in the direction of its motion. What a cop-out. It was inevitable that it would cancel out in true relativity. Light is only the movement of matter particles. In fact, everything in the universe except space is made up of matter particles. Everything, and they're all moving. Well, academia don't want to know that, do they? They want to bedazzle us. Gravity. It's push, not pull. Energy is only the motion of matter. It's not matter itself. It's not interchangeable. The Doppler effect, red moving away from us, that indicates the speed of light. Right? They try and tell us that light only travels at its own speed, irrespective of the source from which it is emitted. Well, let me tell you, the source from which it is emitted, plus or minus, determines the speed of light and its wave frequency, which incidentally is only pulsation. It's nothing to do with the ether. Matter. You know that matter is not defined in the Oxford Dictionary? The most important ingredient of the universe. Must not offend Albert, must we? Or his followers. Well, anyhow, the more speed we have, the more mass, and the less. Of course, they make the messenger the thing itself. Mass is not matter, is it? If it is, well, the whole thing's a fallacy. Right? It's not interchangeable with energy. And they tell you that, well, it increases its mass when it strikes something. We can't have the religious people being stupid, can we? Eh? We've got to have the experts, haven't we? So-called academia, right? Well, as a matter of fact, academia, only amateurs at gobbledygook compared to the religious. Oh, I thought the speed of light was independent of the observer or the source of its motion. According to Albert and his followers, everywhere we turn we can see science gurus contradicting themselves. Anyhow, I don't know what we can do. You throw an egg at a fan, right, and it's repelled. But if the fan's not moving, the egg goes straight through. Is that the criteria for mass? Is it? What difference does it make whether it's moving or not moving? Still got the same amount of matter, hasn't it? You gurus are continually trying to bedazzle us. I'd rather have a woman in a bikini do that for me. At least I know where she's coming from. Well, perhaps. Anyhow, good luck to her.